What's up, guys? It's Tom. Today we're out here kicking it with 47 series. He doesn't want to be in the video just because he's not a fan of social media. But we're just out here filming his cars today. He's got a stack of cool ones. He's got two Toyota Blizzards, 1, 2. Got the soft top FJ40. Got the HJ45, I think it is. HJ47, and then 2 more FJs. So we're going to be heading out in them soon, getting some content and doing some nice off-roading and all kinds of cool stuff. So before I talk too much, let's get some decent footage. Alright guys, we got Benji over there. He's about to hop in the troopy and he's going to give this hill here a crack. He's just done new suspension, and because he's got the external cage and roof frame, the troopy doesn't have a lot of flex. So like if we look at that, that's pretty steep. See how we go. Holy shit! Legit 30 seconds ago, he's like, I'll give it a crack, but I'm not going to get up because it's just crazy hard. But wow! Alright guys, Benji's in the roofless FJ40. Pretty sick, no roof, no doors, no problems. And he's going to send it right now up this power line truck. Alright, let's hand it over to Benji.
That was such an awesome classic camera in the 80s, early 90s.
Bloody oath.
I remember.
2F petrol. Let's see how she sounds. No radio blank in this one.
With you filming. Yeah, we'll do one of these. Yeah. it's a factory Toyota 2.2 Hilux 2L with a TD04 turbo.
Not quite.
Goes good for a little motor.
Yeah. So you've got the 4-speed tranny, nice and simple. Once you get in, a little bit more room than an FJ40, but the car is half the size. The clutch in. Gets a fair bit of soot up. Yeah. Goes good. Has a top speed of about 80. It's a Toyota 2.2 litre diesel with the turbo strapped on. You got the sick airbox up on the roof. Believe it's a worn winch high mount, something like that. But yeah, this thing pulls, so it's a Blizzard, of course. It's again shovel on the roof with the matching high lift jack. Some nice sunrail wheels, but yeah, not bad. We'll get some driving clips in now. That like accelerator is so slick.
But when you rev it out, it actually goes pretty good.
Yeah.
Little diesel turbo.
The old Hilux.
Yeah.
So what is it? A 2.1 litre 4-banger
2.2
turbo.
TD04 turbo.
He's leaving. Yeah, thanks mate, fuck off.
Yeah, so in 1974, when they were swapping over from the 155 to the 2F, this was called the F.5 or F1.5. It had all the accessories off the new 2F, but it was still the old 155 block and head.
And it even has a radio blank, so it's like it's 2-in-1. And it's got these sick mountain decals, like doesn't get any better than that. And then the other one. Alright guys, we're just wrapping up for the day. I just want to say the biggest thank you to Benji. His Instagram is at 47series. I mean, for a stranger from the internet, you're not that bad, bro. Nah man, you're an absolute legend. Like, I've been talking for ages saying, you know, I gotta come up, we gotta shoot these cruisers, and then he was like recently, bro, I've got nothing on this Easter, come stay at mine. I've got beds for you and mates if they want to come. So I've come up and we've just been out cruising around. He's got like 8 cruisers. Just been out in the cruisers all day, just cruising around and taking heaps of photos. He taught me some full driving stuff. So if you want to, like, this guy might, I don't know anyone who knows more about FJ45s than Benji. So once again, his Instagram is 47series. Drop him a follow. My Instagram is tanolog, tano.log. Same as this YouTube. Feel free to follow me for more content. If you've got a cruiser you're in Australia or a vintage car and you want me to do a video, or you want me to take photos, hit me up. I'm always cruising around the country taking photos of people's stuff. So yeah, have a lovely day guys. Stay safe this Easter. Have a good one.